A riddle of several years finally solved by men of the intelligence response team. They unraveled the identity of this notorious high-profile kidnapper, Chukwudubem Onwuamadike, also known as Evans. Leading intelligence officials to his place of abode along Fred Shoboyede Road in Magodo area of Lagos, one can only imagine the elements that make up this magnificent structure. A reflecting automated steel gate provides the only entrance into the compound, closely watched by closed-circuit cameras. Power supply is no problem here, as that is taken care of by these generating sets. Speaking later on the gang's operations from Lagos to Anambra, Edo and Port Harcourt, the suspect claims his arrest was difficult for authorities owing to the fact that they only converge at a meeting point for their operations and sharing of ransom.
I started in Anambra. Then from Anambra I moved to Edo. Then I come to Lagos. I have people that give me information. Each time I want to go for operation, I will connect on phone. I will call them on phone, like let's meet so and so place. Before we start going for the operation. We'll kidnap. The highest money we collected is from First Tag, $1 million. From somebody even in First Tag.
At the State Police Headquarters Ikeja, Lagos, recovered arms, thousands of ammunition, locally made chain for victims and gang members, including a couple, are all on display. The arrival of the kingpin raises the tempo in this parade, as is welcomed with shouts and chants.
The arrest of Evans and his gang member is the beginning to the end of kidnapping, another violent crime in this country.
This latest arrest may bring some relief to residents of Lagos and its environs. The expectation, however, is that police will be able to rescue those still in captivity of these kidnappers and ultimately put an end to the mess.
Open your mouth now. And increase it now. Okay. How many years are you? How old are you? You are 36 years. What brought you here? Straight to the point. What brought you here? What crime? What crime? How many people have you kidnapped? Like how many people? Like about. He's thinking about how many people. You don't pass 100, 200, 1 million. Just estimates. Give us estimates. Give us estimates. Like 10 since how many years? Like 10 since how many years? Eh? Since how many years? Who now?
When did you go into...
Wait now, since like 10 since how many years? 2015 came to kidnapping. You didn't face you at all.
Open your mouth and talk to them now.
The IPO. You say you don't kidnap 10 people and now 2015 you start kidnapping.
2008 now.
You have to tell us how are you doing? How many people, how do you operate as a kidnapper? Just give us a narrative of your activities. Just give us narrative from when, how, and where do you normally take your victims to?
He doesn't know how to explain that. You don't know how to explain it. Even if you know how to explain it, you will explain it to Igbo. Well, I will translate for them.
No. Speak pidgin.
Okay, speak pidgin.
In Igbo, you hear speak up.
The thing I am speak pidgin.
Give us a full narrative, how you operate, where they take your victims to, and
what make you start kidnapping? How you get your weapons, everything. Don't tell us one that you remember.
Put your head like this. Put your head like this. Put your head like this.
I
never go any operation with him. He only send me message.
What message?
Like to go and meet people. You can ask me to give somebody money or something. I never go any kidnapping something with him. I never carry any gun.
Who twice? You know they follow them go operation.
Ask anybody. Ask any of them. Never.
How much have you made so far?
I never give me any money. You only dash me money.
How much in them dash you?
You can give me any amount. You can give me 100,000. You can give me 50,000. Anytime.
They say like 4 million, 10 million.
No. Never. Something like that. Never.
See the lie.
Do you live at that Igondo? Are you one of those? Where do you live?
I never live at Igondo.
Where do you live?
I live at Ajawo.
Ajawo Estate. So, but do you know his house? How do you people operate?
I never know his house before.
How do you operate with him as a 2IC? You suppose get contact.
He only called me on phone, and he always calls someone with private number. You can't call him, he only call you.
How long have you been working with him?
Not so long.
How long?
Since I came back, that was last year, October.
Came back from where?
I'm in Malaysia.
Oh, you came all the way from Malaysia to join him?
I never joined him.
What happened?
He only sent me because he only sent me an errand sometimes. I never follow him.
How did you know him? How did you meet him? Sorry, how did you meet him?
I know him before with one of my brother, but that one now is in South Africa.
We dey here now talk.
That was many years ago.
So how now come hook up for Lagos? How they ask you?
When I came back, I saw him.
You saw him again?
In Ajawo, yeah.
Okay. So you don't know how much you've made?
What type of errand does he send you?
Most times, he can call me, he can give me money to go and do something. Or he can ask me